Welcome to my channel. I am Amsa Krishna. Today in this video I am going to discuss about a very important video. It's going to be a very important video, my dear friends. I suggest all the friends to watch the video completely first. I request, I suggest each and every friend first to watch the video completely. In this video, we are going to discuss about a the most important festival, the evergreen, the unforgettable festival that's going to be Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti date. Makar Sankranti date. Yes, my dear friends. And finally, I want to say is, if you want to know the details regarding Makar Sankranti, check the details in the description below of this video. If you want to know the details, once again, regarding Makar Sankranti festival information, details, anything, date, check the details in the description below of this video. In the description below of this video, you can find the information regarding Makar Sankranti. Is going to be very important festival, my dear friends. I suggest all the friends to watch the video first completely. Now in this video, we are going to discuss regarding Makar Sankranti. My dear friends, as this Makar Sankranti festival will be celebrated every year. We will be celebrating every year this particular Makar Sankranti in the month of January. Why we celebrate Makar Sankranti festival? Yes. If you want to know the details, you can check the details in the description. Check the details in the description below of this video. Yes. Now, every year we will be waiting for different kinds of festivals. And one of the most important festival is going to be Sankranti festival. Yes, my dear friends. Now, on Sankranti festival, what we do? On Sankranti festival, what we expect? That's going to be, we will be inviting our friends. We will be inviting our family members. We will be inviting our relatives, friends, family members, relatives, neighbors, the people who stays around us. The people who stays around us will be inviting them. First, on Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti. If we remember the festival Sankranti, immediately in our mind, what we get immediately? So there will be some kind of imagination that's going to be flying of kites. Yes, flying of kites, very important. We will be flying the kites on Sankranti festival. On every year on Sankranti festival, we will be flying the kites on the sky. In the sky, we will be flying the kites at different colorful kites. That means, yes, there will be a colorful, the sky is filled, the blue sky is filled with different kinds of colorful kites. Yes, we will happily buy some kind of manjas and we will be going to the shop. First, on the Makar Sankranti is coming in few days, means what we do? First, we will invite our friends, mainly our relatives. After inviting our relatives, the first and the most important thing is, when the relatives are coming tomorrow, we will be preparing different kinds of dishes, recipes, like dal recipe, different kinds of sweets, palakova. We'll be preparing some dishes because it's a kind of a celebration. Makar Sankranti is a kind of a celebration. We will happily enjoy this festival. We will really enjoy this festival happily, successfully, because this festival gives us a mind relaxation. Because happily enjoy by celebrating successfully, happily by enjoying the festival is very important. Yes, my dear friends. On this festival day, on this festival, this festival is very, very important. Flying the kites is one of the most important celebration on that day. Whenever the Makar Sankranti festival day comes, on that day only, yes, we will be celebrating successfully. In the morning only, we will go into the top floor. In every house, we see so many people we will be seeing into the top floor that they are preparing manjas, they are preparing kites, different types of colorful kites, and they will be preparing manjas. They will be buying manjas from different shops because to enjoy on that day, celebrate on that day, because some kind of joyness, happiness. Because in these days, my dear friends, the work pressure is very high. Because in the school days, the children, for example, if you take the students who prepares for the examinations, the students who prepare for the examination, the students who are going to the schools, the colleges, and the people who are going to their jobs and attending for the interviews, searching for jobs. So all the things is kind of a work pressure. So there will be a lot of work pressure and mind pressure will be there. So to relax from that particular work pressure, to relieve, to get a perfect relief from that work pressure, we will be celebrating this Makar Sankranti festival. Makar Sankranti date is every year we will see in the month of January. Every year in the month of January, between 1st to 20th in these dates, Makar Sankranti festival date will be celebrated. On the Makar Sankranti special days, the schools, colleges will be giving 4 to 5 days holidays, because it's a kind of a big festival. This Makar Sankranti festival will be celebrated all over the country India, because flying kites. Because in near to my home, I go every year. I see so many people in the grounds. Suppose if you take a playing grounds, in that playing grounds also, so many people will be flying the kites on the sky, in the sky. Because it is an enjoyment, it is a relaxation, and preparing dishes, preparing recipes, different types of recipes like aloo fry, and if you take for example, if we expect potato fry, aloo fry, tomato curry, dal, pickles, palak sweets, rasagulla sweet, and we'll be going to the mithai wala shops. We will go into the mithai wala shop because Sankranti is coming. So we need some kind of sweets, some kinds of samosa, sweets. Everything will be buying in the mithai wala, and we will be celebrating successfully. Yes, my dear friends. This is a kind of festival to be away, because and this festival, Makar Sankranti festival, comes in the new celebrated year. Yes, as a new year, as a celebrated year. This Makar Sankranti festival comes, the first festival. After we enter into a new celebration year, the first festival is going to be Makar Sankranti festival. In our olden days, in our childhood days, my dear friends, we never used to stay in our home. We always used to go to our friend's house. We always used to go to our relatives' house. And we used to stay, especially Makar Sankranti festival indicates is staying in relatives' house more than 10 days, 15 days, more than 1 week, and happily enjoying watching movies, preparing dishes, preparing sweets. This is very, very important, my dear friend. The only the important point is, especially kites flying. Yes, kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying on the sky. We see, we never used to, that day, it's a kind of relief to our brain. It's a kind of relief to it's a kind of flying kites in the sky is a kind of relaxing our work pressure. It's a kind of relaxing our mind work pressure. It's very, very important. And the most important thing and the most important point is every year we celebrate because the kites, like different kites, we see so many kites are available. Previously in our childhood we used to fly the kites or 1 or 2 or 3 on the sky. But today, so many people, the technology, what happens is, in our childhood days that there is no technology. But at present situation, in this present days, the technology has been developed a lot. The technology has been increased a lot. The technology has been unforgettable. Unforgettable. We cannot explain about the technology. By using this technology, we can find the kites even from the online also. Different kites of different types of Makar Sankranti images. You see, Makar Sankranti Telugu calendar. My dear friends, for example, if we see that, for example, Makar Sankranti 2022. Makar Sankranti 2022 date. Makar Sankranti 2022 Telugu calendar. You can find especially this Makar Sankranti in calendars also. The dates. Telugu calendar also one of the most important festival. Yes, my dear friends. Flying the kites, as I already told you that flying the kites is a great enjoyable celebration. In our childhood, as already told you that in our childhood, only 2 to 3 kites used to fly on the sky. But today, we can buy even kites from online also. We can even buy kites from internet also. Yes, very, very important today. This is going to be a great festival, one of the most important, enjoyable festival in the month of January only. Every year, we will be celebrating Makar Sankranti festival. Friends, most important thing is we have to celebrate this Makar Sankranti festival successfully, happily. But when we go into the top of the floor, we should be very careful on flying the kites on sky. We should be very careful on flying the kites. that we are staying in a perfect place or not. That is very, very important. Because this festival is mainly celebrated by singing songs, by keeping different kinds of Telugu songs, Hindi songs, by playing Telugu songs, Hindi songs, especially in near to our home, in each and every house, some kinds of Telugu songs, some kind of Hindi songs will be played in the tape recorder. In our older days, the tape recorder used to be there. But now, it doesn't need a tape recorder. By having a cell phone in your hand, you can play the songs. By playing these Telugu songs and Hindi songs happily, just by flying the kites on the sky, it's a kind of joyful day, entertainment. Successful, happier. That's what I'm saying. Makar Sankranti festival itself is a kind of a festival which gives us a better relaxation, a perfect relaxation to our mind, my dear friends. Perfect happiness. And preparing the dishes, I already told you. Recipes, especially sweets, palakova sweets, dal. Ghee dal recipe can prepare on the Makar Sankranti day. To all our members, to all our family members, to all our relatives. This is very, very important festival, my dear friends. So most important thing is, for example, if you take, as already I told you, my dear friends, Makar Sankranti 2022. Makar Sankranti 2022 date. Makar Sankranti 2022 Telugu calendar. You can even also find this Makar Sankranti 2022 in Hindi also. Like that, not only 2022, my dear friends, we take Makar Sankranti 2023, Makar Sankranti 2023 date, and Makar Sankranti 2023 images, different kinds of flying kites images you can see from the internet. Beautiful images, my dear friends. People will be preparing the kites in the home also. Because naturally, what happens is when the Sankranti festival comes, we will be going to the shops. We will be going to the shops and buying the kites. But so many people at present, what they are preparing the kites in the home also. They are preparing different colorful kites, colorful images, colorful photos of Makar Sankranti festival. This is really a beautiful. It's a beautiful and a great celebrated festival. But to know that why Makar Sankranti festival will be celebrated, want to know the details? Check the details below. Check the details in the description below of this video. Check the details below in the description, my dear friends. Very important. Preparing kites. Different kinds of kites in the home. Small children, especially the students who are learning first class, second class, third class, or fourth class students, especially first class to ninth class students, they like to fly the kites on the sky. Especially this Makar Sankranti festival is for children. Children mainly like this festival, my dear friends. Not only the father, mother, sisters, brothers, small children also like Makar Sankranti festival because this festival is mainly having the relationship on flying the kites on the sky. Why we fly fly the kites on the sky? Why we mainly celebrate this Sankranti festival? Check to know the details, check the below in the description below this video, my dear friends. And especially, I want to say is, every year if we see, every year, the before year and the next year, the before year, the next year, every day, every moment, the years are going, New Year is coming, the new Sankranti festival is coming. The Sankranti, Makar Sankranti festival will comes in each and every in the month of January. The month of January itself is a celebrating year, celebrating festival month. Feel that the January month is a kind of a month which everyone will be celebrating happily, enjoying by flying the kites on the sky. And you can also see these different kinds of kites even from the internet. By writing the names on the kites, different kinds of different kinds of kites you can see, my dear friends. Because of the technology whatever has been developed today, the internet system has been developed today, automatically you can find it. You can get even any kinds of sweets, any other items, any other products, the different kinds of kites, even in from the internet also. You can shop the kites, whatever we want, even from the online also. Very important. So my dear friends, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you get my updated next videos. This is the most important point is, my dear friends, Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti date, very important. This festival is very important. It's a as already I told you that it's a mind relaxation. Relaxing our mind is very important. Keeping our mind out of the work pressure. Very good. So 2023, Makar Sankranti 2024, Makar Sankranti 2025, Makar Sankranti 2026, like that. Each and every year, Makar Sankranti comes on. Happy Makar Sankranti. Be wishes to other people. Happy Makar Sankranti. Happy Makar Sankranti, father. Happy Makar Sankranti to mother. Happy Makar Sankranti, sister. Happy Makar Sankranti, brother. Because if we are happy, and we feel that we are happy, and make other people also happy by telling wishes to them that Makar's happy Makar Sankranti. Example, if we take Happy Makar Sankranti 2022. Happy Makar Sankranti 2022. Like that. Makar Sankranti 2022 date, when it is. Like that. This is a very important festival which comes in every year in the month of January. We should be happy, our family members should be happy, other people also should be happy. Like that, we will be wishing Makar Sankranti to other people. Once again, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon. You will get my latest updated videos. Thank you so much.